In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send DocuSign in correct order. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up an envelope so each person signs in the sequence you choose, preventing confusion and saving time. Start on your DocuSign dashboard. Click New, then choose Send an Envelope. Think of the envelope as the container that holds your document and your signer list. This is where you control who signs and when. Next, upload the document that needs signatures. Drag and drop your file or browse to it on your computer. Once it's uploaded, confirm that the file appears in the envelope area. If you need to add more documents, you can, but make sure the one you want signed is visible and ready. Now add your recipients. Enter each signer's name and email address, one by one, until everyone who needs to sign is listed. Double check those emails for typos. Getting the address right ensures the right person receives the request at the right time. The order doesn't matter yet. We're going to define that in the next step. Enable sequential signing by checking Set Signing Order. This tells DocuSign to send the envelope to signer 1 first, then signer 2, and so on, rather than sending it to everyone at once. By the way, if you need DocuSign, you'll find the official website link at the very top of the description for easy access. Set the correct order using the Signing Order column. Assign numbers to each recipient. 1 for the first signer, 2 for the second signer, 3 for the third signer, and so on. This sequence is exactly how DocuSign will route your envelope from person to person. Click Next in the upper right to open the field assignment screen. Here, you'll prepare the document for signing. Add the required fields, like signature, date, or name. And be sure each field is assigned to the correct signer. You can switch the active recipient to place fields for each person. Color cues usually help you see which signer a field belongs to. Before sending, review your recipients and the signing order one more time to make sure everything looks right. When you're confident, click Send. That's it. Your DocuSign envelope will go out, and each signer will receive it in the correct sequence you set, moving smoothly from one signer to the next until it's complete. Your DocuSign envelope will now be sent and signed in the correct order. Thanks for watching.